do that because copyright reasons. Hey Google, any reminders?
There's none coming up, but here's one from a while ago. June 3rd at 8 a.m., out of school early 1 o'clock.
Thank you. Hey Google, how long will it take to drive to school?
By car, the trip to Isaac Tripp Elementary School is 2 minutes. You can see the full route on your phone.
Well, route whatever. Google speaks British.
Oh yeah?
She said you can see the full route on your phone.
I'm British.
Well, we're the same thing. Just sounds different. So you can constantly. So what else can you do here? Oh, yep. You can turn off the light. Well, I'm looking lights, but yeah, we can't do that right now. We have both a lot of things, and yeah. So you just let's plug her in again. So you plug this side in, and you plug that into the nest, and then I'll show you what happens. Here it is again. Boot up. Takes a while. Yep, I'll see you all next time. Bye! And bye very much. Bye.